respond to what was just said. We'll start with Ms. Hausdorff.
The difficulty, of course, in relying on the General Assembly for the creation of a state is that the General Assembly doesn't have that power. It is a political body, not a legal one, and that is not how states come to be. The Montevideo Convention criteria I referenced earlier are a settled, very basic aspect of statehood in international law. There is a big debate about recognition, but that is not sufficient, and that is at the core of the difficulty with jurisdiction here. But there is another very important problem with what we've just heard about the original decision, which both of the commentators referenced, from 2021, and that is that the court referenced an accession document. In fact, the former prosecutor indicated that the state's party to the Rome Statute had accepted the accession of the so-called State of Palestine. That was referenced on the basis of an accession document having been circulated, but through the investigations of UK Lawyers for Israel, it has become apparent that it was never carried out. There's another fundamental plank of the Pre-Trial Chamber's decision in 2021 that is simply based on false information. And the reason we should be so careful about lauding supposed investigations into these alleged crimes, these false allegations, is because of the false information that has already been put to the court in the context, including in this context of this allegation of starvation. And that has been shown, again, by UK Lawyers for Israel. I'd advocate, because there's too much detail to go into, for you all to have a look at those submissions, which are on our website.